Hello guys, welcome back to my new video. Today I will tell you how to get rid of rats. A mixture of plaster of Paris with cocoa powder. This mixture of plaster of Paris and cocoa powder will kill rats by dehydrating them. For this you need to make a dry mix of pop with any chocolate powder. Then sprinkle it in the area infested by rats around their entryways and hideouts. This will dehydrate when they eat it up, and they will run out of the home in search of water and will eventually die. Number 2. Instant potatoes. Spread the instant potatoes powder in and around the areas. Potato powder is readily available in the market, and when the rats consume it, inflamed in their intestines and kill them. Number 3. Rat traps. Trapping is the most effective and readily used off-home remedies to get rid of rats from the premises. There are several types of rat traps available in the market. You can select the one according to the convenience of style, but it's better to select a human trap which only catches the vermin but doesn't kill it. To attract rats, use their favorite food as bait like cheese, peanut butter and likewise items. The food will lure the rats and they'll get trying to eat it. After that, you can release them away from your home so that they won't invade your place again.